Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're quite well. Here is Pair Sketch Photoshop action. Here is brush file and here is action. These files are not protected, no password anywhere like in app or in video. Okay, just click on download and enjoy it. Double click or select all, press enter to open, or you can import many other options in Photoshop. So we need a image, for example I open this one. Okay, create new layer, and layer name is paint in small letter PAINT, paint. And now select a red color for hardness is full. Control, select paint layer and paint this area. If you like, create you sketch like this. Okay, go to window, select on action or press Ctrl F9. Here is play me. So action is finished. Stop and hide this or remove it. Our sketch is ready, and sorry for background noises. So you can create your own photo. I hope this video is useful for you. Subscribe me. Allah.